What is an anticyclonic tornado? Anticyclonic tornadoes spin the opposite direction as cyclonic tornadoes. In the northern hemisphere, cyclonic tornadoes spin counterclockwise, and in the southern hemisphere, cyclonic tornadoes spin clockwise. The first known anticyclonic tornado is the Corn, Oklahoma F3 that happened on June 8, 1951. The strongest anticyclonic tornado is the West Bend, Wisconsin F4 that happened on April 4, 1981. There was also an anticyclonic F3 tornado that was a satellite tornado to the June 13, 1976 Jordan, Iowa F5 tornado. Please like and subscribe.